Good day, everyone. Before we get to the fishing, I just have to explain a little issue I've had this week, and it's going to affect the year-long giveaway. So I had a bit of an issue with my hard drive on my laptop, and I lost everything, including 3 videos that I had already made. And the reason this is an issue, those videos and that footage has already been turned into the insurance company. So I'm told they have to count. So there was 21 fish total in those 3 videos, and one of them, it was a 69 centimeter salmon. Put up a heck of a fight, and I was really looking forward to showing that one, but unfortunately it's not going to happen. Here's the footage that I shot from yesterday, fishing down at Pambula Lake. All right, I think our first this morning. Yeah, it's a little trevally. All right, there we go. All right, that's one. Well, so far nothing but little things. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Toss that down in there and watch them come up. Boom. Like a little swarm of piranhas. Yeah, I think there's something on there. Yeah, he hit it good. Yeah, he's still on there. Oh. Oh. Didn't need all these waves right now. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a shovel nose. Shouldn't be too surprised this time of year. See if we can. There we go. There we go. He's flopping around, but he's about 93 centimeters. So there we go. Nice size one. Not my biggest, but a good size one. See you later, dude. Come on. I think you got the bait. Well, the couple that were down here leaving now, Paul and Ingrid from Turagan, and they watch the channel. So that was kind of cool to meet them. They were down here yesterday morning. They said they had an absolutely fantastic time. Caught a nice flathead and a luderick. They're using hand lines with prawn. So That was cool. Down here for a couple more days for the holidays. So hope they have a great time. And it was nice meeting them. There we go. That was a good hit. I don't think he's very big, but he was aggressive. Ah, he's coming in too easy. Oh, what is that? Oh, the phone ringing. It's a nice Taylor. That's all right. There we go. All right. That's why it was so aggressive.